Hello guys, I am the Discussion Dragon, and I will be helping you with all of the instructions for the discussions. So this discussion is your first one, so it should be pretty easy. So all you have to do is number 1, introduce yourself to the class. Number 2, tell us a fun fact or if you have a nickname. So my nickname is Drago, the Discussion Dragon, and my special talent is, I know. I can stand on one leg and breathe fire and burn down the whole city. And for number 3, you're going to want to share what your academic goals are or your major and career. When I grow up, I want to be a Dr. Dragon. So I knew I would have to go to med school for that. And for number 4, Counselor Donnie wants you to let us know who motivates you in your education and your life. For me, it's my mommy, my daddy, and my family. And for the last step, number 5, Counselor Donnie wants you to reply to at least 3 of your classmates' posts, introduce yourself to them, and comment on what they have written. The discussions are pretty easy, but definitely be respectful and friendly to your fellow classmates. Counselor Donnie and I will be reading all of the discussions. Any shenanigans or foolery will not be tolerated. Good luck. Please email Counselor Donnie if you have questions.